Good morning, guys. Happy April 1st. I just wanted to check in with you guys and actually discuss your papers. For those of you that have turned them in, you guys did pretty good. Some of you, though, are missing the works cited, and I know we didn't get to that. That was planned for the Monday after school was closed. So I wanted to give you the opportunity to show you a video of how to do this. Some of you attempted, and I am very grateful for that, but there's still some things that need to be adjusted. So I'm going to post this video, and then you guys can follow along and create your own. If you resubmit your paper with your works cited done correctly, then it can be, your grade will be boosted to either a 3 if you were at a 2, or a 4. There's several of you that are really close to a 4, and Mrs. Rana and myself both really want to give you the 4. So I'm hoping you can adjust your paper, add this on, and then we can adjust your grade. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open your Google Doc, your genocide paper, and go up to the toolbar to add-ons. Okay, before we left, I had you all do this, so I know you all have it on your documents. It's the EasyBib Bibliography Creator. For some reason, if you go up here and you do not see it and you can't figure it out, then email me and I can personally walk you through it. All right, so go over to Manage Bibliography and click on that. And now the EasyBib will populate over here to the right of your screen. And here I just listed websites that may have been used for this genocide paper. This was the Bosnian genocide. All right, so all I want to do is highlight my website. I think I need to take off the period or it might not recognize. So highlight it, copy it, and come over here, and you need to make sure that it's on the website option up top because you have book, journal, article, website. Click website. And also it should auto-populate, but for the style, we want MLA 8th edition, okay? So then I'm going to paste my website. And search. Okay, and it populates right here. So I'm going to hit select. And now it's added to my bibliography. I'm going to add all of my sites or all of my sources. Some of you may have used a journal article or possibly a book. So we're just going to add them all before creating the bibliography or works cited. Okay, so I added that one. So I'm going to go to my next site and paste and search. And again, there it is. So now I have 2 sources here. It's just stacking them up. And then this next one is a PDF, so it's going to be considered a journal article. So move it over up on this bar up here to journal article and then paste it. Okay, and then I need to slide over a little bit. This is the one I use, so I'm going to select that. And now you'll see it's just adding on. So I have a few more. This is another website. Move my sources back to website, paste. There it is. Another website, paste, select. So I should have 5 on here right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have one more. And again, if you see at the end of this, it's a PDF. So that's going to be considered a journal article. So I move that over, journal article, search. And it's this one I have to scroll over. Scroll over, select it. Okay. So now I have all my 6 sources. Remember, you needed to have at least 3. Okay, so many of you had some other ones. So make sure you add all the sources that you use, but a minimum of 3. So now I'm just going to delete these. I actually have them saved somewhere else. So I can delete them because remember, I had you guys open up a doc and save all your websites. So you have those on another place if you don't open up a page and do that. Now, Now I want to add my bibliography to the document. Okay, remember, works cited, bibliography, same thing. Called bibliography, especially with MLA style. Okay, so I'm going to hit the add, and it's going to organize this for me. And there we go. And it titled it Works Cited, which is perfect. And now I want to adjust this because I have my paper up here. So I adjust this, Works Cited. Now, the reason you want to put all your sources first and then create your add bibliography is because it's going to put it alphabetical order, okay? It's going to put it in alphabetical order, and it's also going to format it correctly because you'll see the first line is out, and then you can see this first line is out, right? It's not indented. And then the following line on that same source is indented, and that's the proper way to do it when you're using MLA, okay? And that is it. Now your works cited is complete. It's formatted correctly to the liking of MLA style. And that's it. You would just resubmit it and we can adjust your grade. If you have any questions on this, feel free to email me or message me on our Google chat that I created, and I can get back to you and help you ASAP. All right, have a good rest of the day, guys. We miss you and hope you're all doing well.